Guys, welcome to another episode of Gardening with Creations by DX & Co. Today I want to show you another way that you can recycle some household goods into seed starters. So in particular, I'm talking about toilet paper rolls and or paper towel rolls. So a toilet paper roll usually comes a little bit larger than this. In fact, I've actually cut it in half, which is the perfect size for a seed pod or seed starter is what we're making today. So if you have a toilet paper roll, go ahead and cut it in half to get it roughly about this size. Let's say this is about 2 inches. Sorry, I don't have my tape measure in front of me. Take a pair of scissors. What you're going to want to do is just about 1/3 of the way up, cut 4 lines in it. The reason that you can use this to do so is because cardboard is actually biodegradable, so it will actually dissolve. You don't even have to transplant your seeds when you plant them. So all you have to do is take it, you're cutting those slits in there so you can fold it up just like you would a cardboard box. Tuck your flaps in so you got a good nice square structure underneath. I gotta tuck this flap in, so kind of like you'd be tucking in a moving box, if you will. Make sure that your flaps are tucked in nice and neat. May have to do a little bit of bending it on the inside just to kind of get that right form, but that's what you're going for, something that looks like that. You're going to fill this inside with soil, so let me do that really quick here. So fill it up with soil. You want to make sure you get it to the appropriate depth, and then there you have it. You can plant your seed right in there, and you're going to want a clear plastic container or a container that's a waterproof container of some sort that you can set your starters in, kind of pack them in there nicely. What I would recommend is maybe something Tupperware that you can put a lid on, so that would create some moisture, kind of like a greenhouse. It's not necessary, but it's helpful. But that in particular is the way to get started, because this will absorb water, it will soak up. But this is a good cheap way to start your seeds, guys. So that's all there is to it. I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of these cut up and folded so I can start some more seeds in them. But I wanted to show you guys today a quick, easy way to create a seed pod starter that is just recycling materials you already have at home. So if you guys like this video, please share it out. Subscribe, hit that notification bell for more content to come. And as always, I hope you guys are staying safe and enjoying your gardens.